Hello, and welcome to my next Executive Series video. Our topic is customer property. Aaron Snyder here from Quality Systems Explained, where we make quality systems simple for you. Make sure you hit the subscribe button to get all the good content we're putting out. Check out the status bar below for the agenda, and then stick around to the end to get the bonus questions. Our topic, customer property, comes directly from 1345 section 7.5.10. There is no corresponding direct section in 820. Customer property in 5 words. Protect customer property. Report problems. If our organization comes into contact with or has control over customers' property, we have to protect that property. If during our interaction with the customer property, whether it's on our site or we're at the customer site, we find issues with that property, whether it's a quality issue or some other defect that could have led to an incorrect result or some degraded therapy, we have to communicate those problems to the customer immediately. We have to keep records and documentation related to all of our interactions with the customer's property. How do I know this is working? Well, I protect all customer property that's within my control. Second, any problems that I identify with customers' property, I am communicating those problems to them. And then third, I'm keeping documentation that highlights how I interacted with the property and how I handled it, controlled it, and then ultimately gave the property back to the customer. How do I know it's not working? Well, first, I don't protect the customer's property. It's damaged, it's lost, it's deteriorated in some manner. Second, I identify problems with the customer's property, or I damage the customer's property and I don't tell them about it. And then third, I'm not keeping documentation, or my documentation related to customer property is inadequate. And now for the 3 bonus questions. Do we interact with any customer property? If yes, please provide me that procedure. How do we capture, review, evaluate, and document issues that are found with the customer's property? And then finally, where are the records related to the customer's property kept within our quality management system? Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Send any questions to qms.jedi@gmail.com. This is Aaron Snyder for Quality Systems Explained. Never stop learning.